to Everyone Can Grill. It's been a long time since I put anything out, but we're going to do an on-the-road grill with my brother TJ. He's going to cook a salmon on a cedar plank. So stick around, this is going to be good. And that's just butter, right?
That's just butter.
On a big long piece of cedar plank. Wow. Now what is that?
That's that Weber dry rub.
Which one? Just their regular?
Yep.
Okay, good enough.
And then we're going to do some lemon as it's cooking.
Just applewood?
Actually, that is applewood.
That's what I thought you had going there when I came up the driveway.
Okay.
Nice.
30 minutes.
Okay. 30 minutes at 350, right?
Yep.
Now you can see on his grill, he's using the rotisserie attachment to get the top up away from the salmon a little bit. You don't need to do that, but if you have one, it's a good idea. And you can, just a little bit of smoke coming out of there. Man, you can't ask for anything better than that. All right, it's been 20 minutes or so. And what he's doing right now is just drizzling that with lemons. Boy, on the right-hand side of your screen, you need to push that smell-o-vision button. Because god dang it, does this smell good.
Mm-hmm.
Gee whiz, Batman. I'm putting a little bit more of that dry rub on there. And that goes down, and boy, it smells good.
That won't hurt anything, leaving those lemons on there.
All right, we'll bring you back in another 20 minutes. Hey, we're gonna open this up just for a second because we forgot to add applewood. Man, oh man. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. Running right at 350. All right, I'm bringing you back just for a minute. If you look, I don't know if you can see that or not in the dark, but we're rolling right about 350, just underneath it. And that's where our setting is in the bottom. Or if you follow that arrow all the way over to the end of the arrow, it's closed. And then over here, it's almost all the way open. Because we got a little bit of breeze out here, and it's about 40 degrees at the most. So, you know, usually I have mine closed almost all the way up. But with the breeze and being cold, you got to just compensate for it. So you can't just set and forget. I wanted to show that. All right, we're at the 30-minute mark. And the last time he put lemon on there, it was at the 10-minute, not the 20-minute. So he's going to lemon it one more time, and then it'll be ready to pull. But look at the color that thing got from the smoke and that rub. Oh, man, I'm not kidding. I wish you could smell this. It's incredible. And this is done now, he's saying. So we're going to pull it off and have it for dinner. So this is Mark with TJ, and you guys have a great weekend.